Hi, this is David Sexton again, and we're meeting in week 4. And this week's discussion is Eric Sheninger when he promotes the 6 specific elements that will drive change in an organization. The elements that he mentions are as follows. Number 1, he says we should love our employees. Number 2, we need to connect the peers that we work with a purpose. Number 3, capacity building prevails. Then number 4, learning is the work. It should be the goal of the process. Number 5, transparency rules. And then finally, number 6, systems learn. Each element is part of the whole process of encouraging positive change in the accomplishment of any change, but most specifically for our purposes here, change in educational technology. What we're going to do is take a look at each element individually and then try to weave them together into one cohesive design. In element 1, Sheninger suggests loving your employees incorporates the finding of meaning in what you are trying to achieve by helping them achieve their own personal goals as well. In element 2, it drives the purpose behind the goal with the answers to the questions of why are we doing this and how are we going to accomplish it? Element 3 focuses on capacity building, or seeking the competencies, resources, and motivations of your constituents and being able to distribute some of the leadership to those with the abilities and the determination to help you accomplish the goal. Element 4 expresses the need for a culture of the school to desire the continued growth of their own day-to-day functions within their own classes and their improvement of their own education. Element 5 is so crucial due to the trust that can be established through transparency. Transparency with the team as an entire unit. Everyone wants to know that their role has value, and there's no better way than to make sure they are informed. Finally, element 6 articulates the need for the development of others who can take the lead and cultivate the continuity of the change, not only for themselves, but for the many others that they will assist and influence. So as a leader in my own school district, I believe that embracing the elements would not only influence change in the educational technology, but also develop the type of community that is necessary for a school system to succeed. These elements give worth to the things that are most important in education. First, reaching the students with the most up-to-date information and materials. 2, giving them worth and giving worth to those who are in the classroom each day where the rubber meets the road. That's the teachers. And then 3, developing a community that desires to accomplish more together.